link holder. Channel link is gone like a rocket. Absolutely good news for channel link holder. So before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important for you, and this is one big reason to subscribe is why important for you. If you get subscribed, then I inform you every hour, every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So please click the subscribe. Let's get start the price prediction of channel link, guys. So first of all, I gonna show you the last 1 hour result. First of all, if you can see here, the last 1 hour result absolutely gone bad. This is one reason to why the result has gone bad. So this is one reason, and the reason as that this is the start of this month. Absolutely, this is the start of month, and people is gone selling. So this is not a selling time. Why are you not understand? Please, this is not a selling time. Please hold it, just buy it. It is absolutely good time for buying. So absolutely this is buying time. Just buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they can make you a millionaire. This is one of unique cryptocurrencies, so they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely. Price is 32.8558 US dollar. Absolutely gone like a rocket. This is absolutely good change. You can see here, this is very bad change for last 1 hour. Okay, let's see the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result has gone up. So let's check it out. The last 1 day result, absolutely like a rocket, they can go up. This is absolutely good jump. You can see in the graph result, absolutely gone up. So this is good news for channel link holder. Channel link holder, congratulations, many congratulations. Your cryptocurrency has gone up. Channel link has gone up. This is very good news. Just buy it. Absolutely good time for buy. Invest and buy it. Okay, don't waste your time. Just buy it. The price is gone double. Absolutely, they can give you a double price. So thanks for watching, guys. This is absolutely good time to buy it. Keep buying, not selling. Okay, don't selling. This is not a selling time. Just buy it and hold it for the end of this. Wait for the end of this month. I hope they can give you a double price. So thanks for watching. What's your opinion? They can go up in a few days and allow in a upcoming days. So please share it in the comment box. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.